Hello friends, welcome to ASV Max and Dynamic YouTube channel. I am Sebastian. Today I explain the concept iteration method. So before I explain the concept, all of you like and share and subscribe, click the bell button. So when I upload the YouTube videos, you can get continuously, and also you see the full video, you can get a clear idea about the mathematics. So today you can get the knowledge about the iteration method. Let me iteration method. The method has only 5 steps. First you have to concentrate the 5 steps. You can solve the problem using this method. First you have to concentrate the function. Function is very important, because the function, using the function we will find the steps. So here in the when you are going to use the iteration method, the function very important. So in the function you have to consider it is related to the variable x, means f of x. So this f of x, step 1, f of x is equal to 0 you have to consider. Then using the given interval, because according to the problem they will find, we want to find the approximate root in between the interval. So at the same time you use the interval. For example, the interval is like this, means you have to find these two values in the function. You have to get opposite sign here, plus minus. When you are applying the value in the function, at the same time you have to get the only sign, no need to the value. So just you have to concentrate in the sign. In the 0, if you get the plus, means in the second value when you substitute in the function you have to get the minus. Otherwise when you substitute the 0 in the function, if you get minus, when you substitute the 1 in the function you have to get the plus. This is opposite sign. Sometimes we can call it is if you get the positive value, the f of 1, you have to get the negative value. When you substitute the 0 in the function, if you get it the negative value, you must be get in the f of 1 positive value. Likewise you have to calculate. So this process, if you get the opposite sign, means you can find the x naught using the two interval. You have to calculate like this, then you can get the value of x naught. So at the same time it is x naught is equal to 0.5 for this interval, means then you have to find another step. Step 3 is x equal to pi of x. What is the meaning? From the function you have to make the function x equal to like this. The x equal you can consider pi of x equal to also. So this is one of the step. Another one, the pi of x you have to find the first derivatives, then put the absolute value for the two interval, the 0, pi dash of 0, pi of 1. So at the same time the condition must be less than 1, it must be satisfied. If it is satisfied, then using the x naught value, this value, you have to follow the rules. X n plus 1 is equal to x pi of xn. Using the procedure, one by one you have to substitute how many digits you need, up to you have to find the answer. This is the iteration method. Only the 5 steps, if you concentrate in the problem, you keep in your mind perfectly the 5 steps, you can solve the iteration method easy. Come to the problem, I explain very well, you can understand better way. Solve 2 sin x equal to x for a real root. You see the problem very carefully. 2 sin x equal to x, this is the function for a real root in the interval 1, 2. By iteration method, correct 3 decimal places. So what is our steps? Just you take the function 2 sin x equal to x. This is you consider 2 sin x minus x equal to 0. Likewise you have to take it. It is f of x equal to 0. So from these things, f of x equal to sine, you have to consider, equate f of x equal to 2 sin x minus x. This is the first step. Then using the interval, you have to apply in the f of x, you have to get opposite sign. So when you substitute the 1 in the function, you have to write like this, your value is positive. When you apply in the 2 in the function, you have to get the answer is negative. This is opposite sign. Opposite sign means using the interval, you can calculate the x naught. So a plus b divided by 2. Here a is 1, b is 2. You have to add and divide it by 2. You can get the answer 1.5. Right now x naught is 1.5. So then you have to consider x equal to pi of x. What is x? Already x equal to 2 sin x. This is the x equal to. So now the pi of x equal to pi of x means pi of x is also 2 sin x. So x equal to sine 2 sin x. The x equal to 2 sin x, the same pi of x is equal to 2 sin x. So right now pi dash of x less than 1, you have to check the conditions. Pi dash of x is equal to 2 cos x. When you do the differentiation and the first derivative, this is the differentiation one time, you can get the answer to sine. If you differentiate sine, it is a cos x, that's all. At the same time, you substitute the a comma b, that's the interval. The two interval must be satisfied less than 1. Using the calculator, you verify, you can get the answer less than 1. Suppose if it is satisfied, the condition is satisfied means you have to continuous the process. The process means using the x naught value, xn plus 1 is equal to pi of xn. Find the needed decimal numbers. How many decimal? 3 decimal we needed. You use x naught equal to 1.5. So when you are going to apply 1.5, before you must be check all the conditions satisfied, then you have to start. So here if you finished this up to here, no issue, you come directly write the formula, then here 2 means here 1, likewise. So x naught is equal to 1.5, you apply, because here x naught means x1, here x naught. What is x naught? 1.5. I have calculated and wrote very well clearly. X1 pi of x naught, pi of 1.5. The pi of 1.5 means instead of x you have to apply 1.5. So make a equation the calculator. Instead of x you substitute the 1.5 value, you can get the values. And also using this value, this is x1. So next x2, if you need x2 means pi of x1. Instead of x1 you apply the values, then you use the instead of x, you can calculate in the calculator, you can get the values. So one by one, if you apply continuously in the function, when you are getting the 3 decimal repeated again, at the same time you have to stop or come to the conclusion, it is the answer. So here how many ways? I think x power 10, I am getting the answer 1.89. Almost I reached 1.89, but we need 3 digits, 3 decimal. So we want to continuous. When you are going to continuous do the same process, at the same time it will converges to the 1.895. This is the final root for this function. So my dear friends, if you do the continuous process using the calculator, you can get the full confidence in the examination. Don't see or don't read in the book without practice. Numerical means you must be take the practice, you get the full confidence in the examination, you can solve all the problem with easy. So my dear friends, you follow my YouTube videos, you share and subscribe and like my videos. I will give one by one the number of methods. Thank you so much.